my name is Christina Alderman, and here I am at an event for Greg's Groceries, a mission that seeks to serve and connect with the community, helping families all across the state of South Carolina. Serve and Connect was first founded by Cassie Alia Ray in 2015 after the death of her husband, Greg Alia. Though she was grieving, Cassie was inspired by Greg's sacrifice to start an organization with the mission to connect law enforcement and the community. Named after Greg himself, Greg's Groceries was founded in 2017 and boxes food to give out to families in need. Since the beginning of Greg's Groceries, more than 85,000 meals have been delivered by 73 departments across South Carolina.
We believe that police got into this work because they're called to help people, and that's exactly what programs like Greg's Groceries do, is make sure that police have access to the resources and the support so when they come across someone in need, they're able to help.
SCDPS has partnered with Greg's Groceries for 3 years. In attendance at Friday's event were Director Robert Woods, Colonel Christopher Williamson, and Colonel Dwayne Wilson, who agree that Serve and Connect fosters positive relationships between communities and law enforcement.
As law enforcement officers and a law enforcement agency, we don't want to wait until tragic happens before we foster a relationship with the community. So community events such as this, something that pull law enforcement and community together, is always great.
Officers packed for about an hour, dancing to music, smiling, all because they know what they're doing has an impact across the state.
It's just great to be here, and as you look around and seeing so many people working together with such energy for such a wonderful cause, it does my heart good.
Though today's event is over, Serve and Connect has much more in store. Stay tuned and consider volunteering.